Okay, so the previous video cut. I'm just gonna post this as a second video because nobody's got the time. Remember that book that I vlogged about? I finished it. It was dope. That's all I'm gonna say about that because it was such a long time ago and I don't want to lie about the details. But it was good. I think the fact that I watched it kind of made it weird to finish reading because I kind of knew what was happening and I could see the characters I saw on TV instead of the ones that I was picturing in my head. Yeah. What else have I been doing? I've been working on some projects, be it actively or passively, but I'm working on the projects. I did a shoot with this amazing lady called Louisa. She coordinated the shoot and it's gonna be so awesome and you guys will get the news soon, but just know that something is coming to you soon. What else? My squad's been winning, y'all. Don't you just love it when like your squad is doing the most? They're like new jobs flying everywhere. They're like awards. They're like just dopeness projects. You know, it's really nice to see the team get shit. You know, so I'm really appreciative of that. They're a dope support structure. I really appreciate their presence in my life. Yes. What else? I have a baby sister now. She's like 2 months old. She's so cute. I haven't met her in person yet, but I'm trying to work on that. So hopefully that'll be soon. I won a watch at comedy night. This is a watch that I got from Chrono Experts Shop Watch. I'll link a video to where I'm talking about more details about the watch and stuff here. On that note, I started another channel with my partner. It's a long story, we'll explain. But I started another channel with my partner and hold on, let me change the song. So yeah, we started the podcast together and it's quite lit. You know, it's fun. It's something I've always wanted to do. So I'm really happy that we're getting to do it. And it makes me so happy. Like you guys, you'll see that I'm glowing. Yeah, so we started the vlog. We also have a podcast and an Insta page that we're working on. It's like 2 pictures in because it's brand new. But yeah, we're planning to record our intro soon. It's got about 3 or 4 episodes if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's what's happening. I'm trying to get into the studio to record some music. I need 15K. If you would like to give me money to do this, please do. But otherwise things are good. I promise I will upload regular content from now on because things have kind of settled down a bit, and I'm in a really good space, so I'd like to share that. And also this is really for me to just document my journey becoming the person that I want to be. I don't have enough space, so my memory is about to run out. I will catch you guys on the flip side. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys are up to. Thank you for subscribing and watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.